How to uninstall Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can find this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the bottom, you can find this uninstall button. Tap on uninstall. Now before doing so, make sure you have your ID and password saved, because if you want to reinstall it, you might need it. At last, hit on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone. You're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.